Hi everybody, I just wanted to give you an update today. We're about 2 weeks in since the lockdown in the state of Ohio that's had a major impact on our restaurant industry. It's been a very difficult situation for all of us. It's been emotional, very personal. The one thing though for sure is we're all in this together. As we've talked to business owners all across the state of Ohio, we realize that every situation is different. We're listening carefully and we're working hard to try to come up with facts, information, and ways to help each one of you. It's been a big change for all of us, social distancing, many Ohioans staying home, maybe not going out and using the restaurants the way they used to for sure. The ORA is proud of so many of you who are able to stay open and feed people throughout the state of Ohio. Those of you who are part of the food chain, remember we're 51% of all food dollars sold in the state of Ohio. You're providing meals to people all over Ohio, and we just want to thank you for that. However, the facts about our industry are very troubling. We did some research, and so did the National Restaurant Association. We asked owners and operators all over the state of Ohio some questions about how things are going. In the United States so far, our estimates are now 3 million jobs have been lost since March 1st in our industry. That's equated to $25 billion in sales have been lost. In Ohio, the numbers are staggering. We've lost over 100,000 jobs so far and over 700 million in sales. It's a tale of two worlds in the industry right now. If you think about it, those who are already in the delivery business, the takeout business, those who are able to do drive-through, they're doing okay. Most of those are holding their own. Some are up, some are down, but that business is there and people continue to operate that way. And we're very proud of those folks who are able to do that. But most restaurants that emphasize dine-in and taking care of people with that high level of service, most of them are closed. They use the phrase temporarily closed, but we don't know when that's going to end. They've laid off or furloughed their workers, and many are trying to do that pivot to a takeout model. And we're encouraging the public to support restaurants. You've seen a number of these promotions going on in Ohio, and you're going to see more of that. Those are our heroes. They're trying to continue to serve food, and we'll be telling more of those great stories when we can. We are encouraged with the way that Governor DeWine's team has responded with a number of steps to help employees and business owners with things like better unemployment support and the suspension of BWC workers' comp premium payments and steps like that, like SBA loans for small businesses. The federal government passed 3 bills, Phase 1, Phase 2, and 3, and this is providing significant support for individuals, families, healthcare, state governments, and businesses. All of this information is detailed on our special web pages, ohiorestaurant.org, and it's in our daily memo that we send out to all of our members and many in the restaurant community. Information about how the CARES Act works, the relief and support that the federal government is providing, is complex at best. We're still waiting for direction and guidelines from the federal government, and as soon as we get that, we'll provide more information. To help restaurateurs in Ohio, we've been conducting webinars around the state for the past 2 weeks, and we'll continue to do that. And we are planning a town hall webinar on Wednesday, April 1st from 12:30 to 2 p.m. We have experts lined up from the Small Business Administration, plus experts from banking, tax, HR, insurance, and risk, as well as law. Please see our website and our daily communications about how to register for this webinar. The ORA is working tirelessly to help the restaurant industry, and we will continue to provide you with information and assistance every day. Please watch our ORA social media, where we often provide additional information in even more timely manner, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks again for all you do to serve Ohio. We are in this together.